Good day and welcome to ICD Kollam YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss Learning Capsule 2 from Quantitative Aptitude, and we are begins with data interpretation, which is one of the very important topic in competitive exam. Question number 1. What is the difference between number of Voltas AC units and LG units sold from all years together? It's a very simple question. I can able to solve this question by just using that graph. Even without using pen and paper, I am solving that question. 1.5 to 2.5 to 2.5, 625 answer. This is the way we need. Even though this is the way we need, we are initially going with the original method. The traditional method for solving these types of question is that first you need to calculate the Voltas ACs. Here the value in between 750 and 1000, and that value will be equal to 875. Similarly, we can find the second value. It is 1000 here, 1250 here, and you need to add all these numbers. We will get the sum of Voltas AC units like here, and the sum, it will be equal to 7875. Now similar procedure for LG, and we can find LG as sum. So getting 8500 as sum of LG AC units. Now it's the time for taking difference. You need to take the difference between that two numbers, and which will be equal to 8500 minus 7875, which is 625 answer. Have you ever wondered the method what I discussed earlier, by just looking that number and says answer? So that is ICD special method. We are going to discuss that method now. Here I am using the block concept. We know here 0 to 250 is the first block, and means the value is 250 and block is 1. Similarly, the difference, I take arbitrarily LG as positive and the other one Voltas as negative, and here I can simply say here LG is more by what? By half block here, half block there, total 1 block. So I can write it as plus 1 block. Instead of writing the value, I write 1 block more in the case of LG here in 2014. And what about the 2015? Again LG is more by same 1 unit, 1 block. Now the third one, it is LG is smaller, so we can say it as negative, and it is minus 1. Again here 2017 more by half block, LG is more by half block, and next half block again, and next it is 1 block, and last one 2020 it is half block less. Actually there is no need of writing these numbers. We can calculate it in our mind, that I do earlier. Here the plus 1 and minus 1 may cancel each other, and plus 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2 definitely cancel each other. The remaining portion is 1 plus 1, 2 and a half to 1 by 2, 2.5 blocks. So my answer, my 1 block is 250, 1 block is 250, it is very clear from here. And you need to find my 2.5 block. So definitely 2.5 block means 2.5 into 250. So my answer 2.5 into 250 is the required sum, difference. So we can say this 0 gives to this number, and it will be beautiful 25 into 25, 625. 625 is the correct answer for this question. Question number 2. In the year 2014, number of AC units sold by LG is what percent more than that of Voltas? Here you need to find percentage more than that of Voltas, then definitely Voltas value will be the base. Or In case of percentage more, the smaller value will always be the base, like here. Percentage more is equal to more by smaller value into 100. And we can say the percentage less, it will be equal to less by higher value into 100. At that time the voltage will be that higher value. So you need to by heart this formula, it is better to understand. Now it's the time for solving the question in traditional method or conventional method. First you need to find the value of AC units in 2014 by these two, means LG and voltage. First I calculate the voltage as 875 as I said earlier, and now I calculate LG unit as 1125. Now more is actually difference between that two number, and we will get it as the more as 250. Now more by smaller value into 100 is our answer, and we will get it as this much and get it as approximately 28.57. And this is the time for solving that question in our method. We just focus the second value, which is the base here, voltage, but not focusing on value. Instead I am focusing the blocks 1, 2, 3, 3.5. So out of 3.5 on the second value, that is the base, what is more? More is half block here, half block there, a total 1 block. So 1 by 3.5, simply I can say it as 2 by 7. ICD always recommends to by heart these types of fraction. On that I can say 1 by 7 is 14, 2 by 7. Then what will be 2 by 7? 2 by 7 is equal to 2 into that same 14, 2 by 7. 28, 4 by 7. 28, 4 by 7 is approximately 0.5, more than 0.5 this number. So total 28.57 is only suitable answer. So we can ends in 28.57. Question number 3. What is the average number of voltage AC units sold from all the years together? So here you need to find average, and for that we need initially the sum of AC units on voltage, and we can say average is equal to sum by number, and we can say sum as this much, and it is 7875, and now the number it is for 7, so we can say divide with the 7, we will definitely get the answer as 1125. And in our method I am initially stated one answer, an approximate answer of voltage here, all are very close to this 1000, so I can say 1000 as my answer. It is actually not correct. Sometimes it may higher than that of 1000, or some other case it may lower than that of 1000. So what sum is variated from 1000 we are recording for each and every year. First year 2014 it is less, not focusing the value, just focusing the blocks. I can say half block less. Second one, there is no such variation because it is exactly 1000, so I mark it as 0. Now it is plus 1 more, it is plus half. Here 1000 is the reference line, then it is more by half, then I can say plus half. This is plus 1 and a half, so I am writing 1 by 2. Here nothing, 0, and last one plus 1. This is the variation not in average, but in the case of sum we are adding all variations. In terms of blocks is the only difference. So I am adding all these or solving all these, minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 cancel, 1 by 2. That's 1 by 2 is there. So total 3 1 by 2, 3.5 more. This is more in sum. I can say more in average as by dividing it with 7 years. So 7 divided with 7. So this is more in average. More in average is 3.5 by 7, which is equal to 0.5. So we can say 0.5 block more in than that of our assumption 1000. So 0.5 block means this is one block, 250 is one block, then definitely half of that number, 0.5 means half of that 250, 125 is more than that of our assumption 1000. So we get answer 1125 is in the second option answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and if you have any comment, use this comment section, and definitely like this video and share to maximum. Thank you again.